There's been a ton of rain lately, but actually how can that affect your home? Wet, soggy basements and crawl spaces can lead to foundation issues. So today, we're going to speak to our friends at Frontier Foundation and Crawl Space Repair and find out how they can help.
So Frontier's been in business for a little over 22 years now. We've been working with crawl spaces, foundations, basements, and lifting and leveling concrete for a long time, but we're a family-owned and operated company, and I think that's really what sets us apart. Is we're going to look at the home as a singular piece. We don't like scare tactics, we don't try to be pushy, and even if we find something that's wrong or find something that isn't wrong, we're going to let you know about it so that you know that you can feel safe that that crack really isn't a structural problem, and if it is, you'll know exactly how we can fix it and how much it'll cost to fix it. With all the rain coming, and we do expect it to be a pretty wet spring this year, with all that water saturating the soils that we have here in Tennessee, it can cause for washout. We see downspouts a lot of times that aren't extended far enough away from the house, which causes that water to saturate the foundation and can either get inside the basement or the crawl space. Soils can expand, and that can cause for further cracking or other issues. Our houses are built a certain way to be able to withstand a lot of things, but a tremendous amount of water is not one of them. Homeowners can expect that when they give us a call that they're going to talk to a real person, that we're going to send a real person out there, that we're going to have a conversation with them, that we're going to do a full inspection, that we're going to try to deliver the best wow customer service we can with every customer every time, and that is our mission here. If you're noticing cracks, if you're noticing bowing, if you're noticing sagging floors, if you're noticing bouncy floors, or if you just notice with all this water that you're concerned and you want to give us a call, we're happy to come out and take a look at your home and let you know if we find anything wrong.